Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel, the channel of the Italian Keto Guy. If this is the first time you are watching me, this is Giuseppe, I'm 47 years old and from the 15th of July 2018 I have been following the keto way of eating. I don't like to call it a diet because I don't consider it uh, I don't consider it a diet to be followed for a few months, few weeks. No, I have been following this lifestyle for over 2 years and it gave me back the life I lost when I was eating refined carbs. In this channel you can find traditional recipes and also not traditional, international, so to say international recipe. When I say traditional because I'm Italian, so I'm talking about Italian recipes, international recipes as well. And today I'm going to show you the caprese cake in its lemon version. The origin, the story of this cake is peculiar. Can I say that? It's particular. Because in 1920, they say 1920, Al Capone sent a couple of gangsters from New York to the Capri Island, and those two people, when they arrived, they decided to taste the delicacies, the local delicacies. So they asked a pastry man to make a cake for them. This guy was so scared, was so anxious because of the danger, how can I say, the reputation of those two gangsters, that he forgot to put the plain flour inside the dough. And so the caprese cake was born. This is the lemon version, as I said, but after the tasting I will explain how to make the chocolate one, that is the real caprese, the one that was born with this name. Follow me in the preparation of this delicious and very easy to do recipe. Let's prepare the sponge cake. So 4 eggs divided into yolks and egg white. Put some lemon drops into the egg white, because by doing this way you will be take less time in whipping them firmly with stiff peaks. I see people putting some salt. Do not put salt, it's completely useless. Put some lemon drops inside the egg white. As you can see, they can come out very quickly with stiff peaks. Now let's beat the eggs. Put some grated lemon peel in the yolks, the 4 yolks, and whip them as well. And put some erythritol, 100 grams of erythritol, and then keep whipping. You will notice that the color of the yolks will change, will turn lighter, light yellow. And when this happens is the time to pour the 40 ml of lemon juice. Yeah, you can put less, you can put more, it's up to you. Of course you have to adjust the amount of erythritol as well. Keep whipping, and so that the erythritol will melt. And once you have done this, add the almond flour, 200 grams of almond flour. The dough won't be so much liquid, it will be very dense, but don't worry, because later we are going to add the egg whites. So as you can see later, it will be okay. Anyway, if you want, you can add another egg, it's up to you. I preferred not to add it, I just put 4 eggs. Keep whipping, and then it's the time to add the egg whites. From the bottom to the top, this step is very important. From the bottom to the top, keep stirring, so to combine the yolks and the egg white. Keep doing it until you see this. Look, it's liquid, not too much, but it's fine, it's not too much dense. And when the color turns into this way, the dough is ready. So I used the 20 centimeter cake tin, I don't know in inches, sorry. The tasting, as usual. This was beaten in the Italian version of the video, the remaining part. Is really It's sublime. The lemon flavor overtakes the almond one. It's really light, fluffy, and delicious. Exquisite in the mouth, believe me. Really, really nice. Almond flour. You are not intolerant. You are making too many recipes with almond flour. Wait a moment. What about replacing the almond flour with the linseed one, the golden flax seed? You can grind them finally, and you can use the same amount, 200 grams in replacement. I already did the bars, the protein bars with a flax seed and with the erythritol. They are really nice. So maybe you can replace the almond flour with golden flax seed, and you can tell me the outcome, please. I'm still waiting from Amazon to deliver me the linseed flour. So the only one that is very easy to find in my place is the almond flour. But I would like you to make this and with almond flour, this cake caprese with the linseed flour, and tell me the outcome. That's it. So I have nothing to say at the moment. I opened a YouTube, a Facebook group, but it's in Italian only. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you, to communicate to you my progress. This cake is really suitable also for your children when they go to school. I don't know if in your place they are used to eat some small snack. In Italy is common. Children going to school, they eat a snack during the day. So if this is your case, you can prepare this cake for your children, and so they can eat them when at school. Believe me, it's really nice, light and healthy. If you like the video, please subscribe by smashing the red statement and activating the bell, so you will be notified once a week when I upload a new video. I would like to reach 10K, 10,000 followers by the end of this year, and I definitely need your support. You are already supporting me. Your comments are so encouraging, and your love, your support means the world to me. Thank you so much for following me, and see you next week. Bye.